In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to remove extra space in Google Docs. If this video helps you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more quick Google Docs tips. Extra space in a document usually comes from line spacing, paragraph spacing, or page breaks. To fix this, first select the text with the extra space. Then go to the top menu and click Format, Line and Paragraph Spacing. Here you can adjust the line spacing to single, 1.15, or any setting you prefer. You can also remove extra space before or after a paragraph by clicking Remove Space Before Paragraph or Remove Space After Paragraph. If you notice large blank gaps in your document, check for page breaks or section breaks. To remove them, place your cursor just before the break and press Delete on your keyboard. This will close up the extra space. Sometimes the problem is multiple spaces between words. To fix this all at once, open Find and Replace by pressing Ctrl-H or Command-Shift-H on Mac. In the Find box, click More Options and check Match using regular expressions. Then type. This tells Google Docs to find any instance of two or more spaces in a row. In the Replace with box, type a single space, then click Replace All. This will instantly clean up all extra spaces, no matter how many there are. And that's it. That's how you remove extra space in Google Docs, whether it's line spacing, paragraph spacing, page breaks, or multiple spaces between words. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more step-by-step Google Docs guides.